Imagine if you could run your business on autopilot, even if you've never used AI before. That's not a dream. It's what smart entrepreneurs, small business owners, and solo creators are doing every single day with AI-powered tools. Digital pivoting and the use of AI-powered tools will save you hours, cut costs, and help your small business grow. No tech degree, no fancy setup, and no prior experience required. Welcome to Opportunity Economy, where we turn ideas into income and help beginners, small business owners, entrepreneurs, retirees, and career pivoters launch and grow smarter, not harder. If you're ready to save time, cut costs, and scale your business using AI tools for free, today I'm revealing 5 completely free AI tools that can save you hours every week, cut costs, and help your small business grow. No tech degree, no fancy setup, and no prior experience required. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tools to start with today to work smarter, not harder. I'll show you what each tool does, how to use it step by step, and quick tips to automate tasks you probably hate doing right now, like emails, scheduling, and content creation. Wait, before we dive in, a quick favor. If you're ready to save time and grow smarter, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss our next AI and digital business tip. Drop a comment below and tell me which task in your business eats up the most time. I might feature your question in a future video. And if you know a friend, colleague, or fellow entrepreneur who's drowning in busy work, share this video and help them get unstuck too. Oh, and when we're done here, don't stop. We've got a full playlist of automation hacks waiting for you to binge watch your next big breakthrough. Let's jump straight into the first tool and unlock serious time savings. Imagine running your small business with less stress, fewer repetitive tasks, and way more free time without hiring extra staff or spending a dime on expensive software. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. Today, I'm going to walk you through 5 powerful AI tools you can start using right now for free to automate key parts of your business. Whether you're a complete beginner, a side hustler, or an experienced entrepreneur looking to simplify your workflow, these tools will help you save time, cut costs, and grow faster. No tech degree required. I'll show you what each tool does, why it matters, and step-by-step ways you can use them to automate everything from marketing and customer support to content creation and scheduling. Stick with me until the end, because I'm also sharing a bonus tip and a free downloadable checklist so you can start implementing these automations today. Ready to reclaim your time and focus on growth instead of busy work? Let's dive in. Section 1. Why automation matters for small business. Before we explore the tools, let's quickly talk about why automation is not optional anymore, especially for small businesses. 1. The reality of small business. If you're running a small operation, whether it's a retail shop, a consulting service, an online store, or even a solo freelance gig, you know the daily grind. There are emails to answer, invoices to send, social posts to schedule, customer inquiries to manage, and the never-ending to-do list that eats into evenings and weekends. 2. The time trap. Studies show that small business owners spend up to 68% of their time working on day-to-day tasks and only 32% on strategic growth. That's upside down. The things that actually generate revenue, building relationships, creating products, finding new customers, are getting squeezed out. 3. The AI revolution. The good news? We're living in a time where AI tools can handle much of that repetitive work for free. We're talking about automating tasks that used to take hours, like drafting emails, designing marketing graphics, managing appointments, analyzing data, even handling customer chats. Automation isn't about replacing people. It's about freeing you to do higher value work, like innovating, creating, and connecting with your customers. The tools I'm sharing today are simple, beginner-friendly, and best of all, cost nothing to start. Section 2, AI tool number 1, ChatGPT. OpenAI, main use, content creation, email drafting, customer support. The first tool is probably the most famous and for good reason, ChatGPT. What it is, ChatGPT is a conversational AI that can write, brainstorm, summarize, and even code. Think of it as your 24/7 digital assistant. Why it's powerful: generates marketing copy, blog posts, or social captions in seconds. Drafts emails and proposals so you're not staring at a blank screen. Answers customer FAQs instantly when integrated into a website chat. Helps with brainstorming names, slogans, product descriptions, Free plan features. With a free OpenAI account, you can use the web app to chat, ask questions, and get instant responses. How to use it for automation. 1. Email templates. Instead of writing repetitive emails, give ChatGPT a prompt like, write a friendly reminder email to a client about an upcoming invoice. In seconds, you have a draft you can personalize and send. 2. Social media calendar. Ask it to create a 30-day posting schedule for your Instagram or LinkedIn. 3. Customer service FAQs. Upload your product info and have ChatGPT draft a list of ready-made answers. Pro tips. Always review and tweak for accuracy. It's powerful, but not perfect. Use clear, detailed prompts for better output. Save common prompts in a Google Doc to reuse. Here's a quick example. Let's say you run a bakery. You could ask, write a cheerful Facebook post about our new gluten-free cupcakes with a call to order before Friday. Boom, you've got a polished, engaging post ready to go. 3. AI tool number 2, Canva. Free plan with magic tools. Main use, graphic design, branding, social media automation. Next up is Canva, a design platform that makes it ridiculously easy to create professional graphics even if you have zero design skills. Why it's a game changer. Drag and drop interface. Thousands of free templates for social media, flyers, presentations, and ads. Magic resize tool to instantly adapt one design to multiple platforms. New AI features like Magic Write, text generator, and Magic Design automatic layouts. Free automation hacks. 1. Social scheduling. With a free account, you can create graphics and schedule posts directly to Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and more. No need for a separate scheduling tool. 2. Brand Kit. Upload your logo and brand colors once, and Canva automatically applies them to every template. 3. AI content generation. Use Magic Write to draft captions or marketing copy right inside Canva. Practical example. Let's say you're launching a new product. Use Magic Write to create a catchy tagline. Drop it into a product flyer template. Resize the flyer into Instagram and Facebook posts with one click. Schedule all posts for the week. All inside Canva. Imagine the hours you save not having to juggle Photoshop, a scheduler, and a copywriter. Canva brings it all together in one free platform. Section 4. AI tool number 3, Zapier. Free plan. Main use, workflow automation. Now let's talk about a tool that connects all your apps together, Zapier. What it does. Zapier is like digital glue. It lets you create zaps, which are automated workflows between apps. For example, when someone fills out a Google form, automatically add their info to a MailChimp list. When a new sale happens in Shopify, send a Slack notification. When you post a new YouTube video, share it automatically on Twitter. Why it's powerful for a small business. Instead of manually moving data or double entering information, Zapier handles it behind the scenes. Free plan features, up to 100 tasks a month. Integrates with 5,000 plus apps, including Gmail, Slack, Google Sheets, Trello, and more. Quick automation ideas. 1. Automatically save email attachments to Google Drive. 2. Add new PayPal customers to a CRM spreadsheet. 3. Post new blog content to social media automatically. Here's the magic. Once a Zap is set up, it just works. No more copy-pasting data between apps at midnight. Section 5. AI tool number 4, Trello. Free plan with AI-powered features. Main use, task management, project tracking, team collaboration. Next on our list is Trello, a visual project management tool that uses boards, lists, and cards to help you organize tasks and track progress. Think of it as a digital whiteboard where you can see everything at a glance. Deadlines, tasks, team updates, all in one place. Why Trello is perfect for small businesses. Visual simplicity. Drag and drop cards make it easy to see what's being worked on and what's next. Flexible for any business. Whether you're running an e-commerce store, a freelance design studio, or a consultancy, Trello can be customized to fit your workflow. AI-powered automation. Trello's built-in automation tool, Butler, allows you to set up rules and triggers without writing code. Example, when you move a card to the done list, Butler can automatically assign a due date for the next task. Free automation hacks. 1. Daily workflow board. Create a to-do, doing, and done board. Use Butler to automatically assign tasks to team members when they're created. 2. Recurring tasks. Set up automation for tasks like weekly social posts, invoicing, or inventory checks so cards regenerate on schedule. 3. Client onboarding. Build a checklist template for new clients that automatically assigns tasks like sending contracts or scheduling welcome calls. Imagine never forgetting a follow-up, a payment deadline, or a content deadline because Trello handles the reminders and moves the cards for you. It's like having a silent project manager who works 24/7. 6. AI tool number 5, MailChimp, free plan, main use, email marketing automation, customer engagement. The 5th free AI tool is MailChimp, a marketing automation platform that makes email campaigns easy, even for total beginners. Why it's a game changer. Drag and drop email builder, no coding required. Create professional-looking emails in minutes. AI-powered recommendations. MailChimp's AI predicts the best times to send emails for higher open rates. Customer journeys. Automate sequences like welcome emails, follow-ups, or abandoned cart reminders. Free plan features. Up to 500 subscribers and 1,000 emails per month. Basic automation for welcome emails, lead nurturing, and customer follow-ups. How to use MailChimp to automate. 1. Welcome sequences. When someone subscribes, automatically send a warm welcome email with links to your products or services. 2. Promotional campaigns. Draft an email once and schedule it to go out to different segments of your audience at optimal times. 3. Behavior-based automation. Send a discount coupon when someone visits a product page but doesn't buy. Instead of manually sending updates to customers, MailChimp keeps your audience engaged on autopilot. That means more repeat business without extra effort. Section 7, Implementation Strategies, bringing it all together. Now that you know the 5 free AI tools, here's how to put them into action without feeling overwhelmed. Step 1, start small. Don't try to automate everything overnight. Pick one area that eats up the most time, like social posting, email replies, or task management. Implement one tool first, get comfortable before adding the next. Step 2, map your workflow. Take 15 minutes to list every recurring task you do weekly. Examples: answering customer emails, posting to Instagram, sending invoices, tracking inventory. Circle the tasks that are repetitive and time-consuming. These are your automation targets. Step 3, create simple automations. Use the tools together for maximum efficiency. Example workflow: ChatGPT drafts your social content, Canva designs and schedules it, Zapier posts it across platforms automatically, Trello tracks the content calendar, MailChimp sends a weekly digest to your email list. Step 4, track and optimize. Check your analytics weekly. Which automations saved the most time? Which emails had the best open rates? Which social posts got the most engagement? Refine your workflows based on real data. The key is progress, not perfection. Even one small automation like scheduling your social posts can free up hours each week. Bonus tip: the power of integration. Here's a pro move. Combine these tools for a seamless system. Use Zapier to connect Trello and MailChimp, so every time a new client card is created, a welcome email is triggered automatically. Have ChatGPT write your email copy, then paste it into MailChimp for instant scheduling. Create graphics in Canva, then use Zapier to upload them to Trello automatically for approval. These integrations allow your business to practically run itself while you focus on strategy and growth. Let's recap. The 5 free AI tools that can help you automate your small business today are: 1. ChatGPT for content creation and customer support. 2. Canva for design and social media scheduling. 3. Zapier for connecting apps and automating workflows. 4. Trello for project and task management. 5. MailChimp for automated email marketing. These tools work beautifully on their own, but together they can save you dozens of hours every month, help you scale, and give you back the freedom to focus on growth. Now it's your turn. First, download the free AI automation checklist linked below to get step-by-step instructions and all the links to these tools. Second, comment below and tell me which tool you're most excited to try first. And third, subscribe to Opportunity Economy so you never miss a new video packed with digital business strategies and AI tips. Remember, it's not about hustling harder. It's about building smarter. Start automating today and watch your small business grow while you reclaim your time.